Hello, this is Louis from Estanato Solutions, and in this video, I'm going to review one of my purchases this December sale on Lazada. No? So, itong pinili ko na to, yeah, it's a tablet by my phone. This one is my phone, my T10. So, it's a 10-inch tablet phone. Or, well, tablet, no? Pero I call it a tablet phone kasi pwede siya lagyan ng SIM, no? So, kung makikita nyo, ah, dual SIM siya. So, I bought this during the sale, no? So, nabili ko siya for just 2,250. I think mas mura pa siya sa sa Shopee, no? Pero kasi I don't use Shopee. Uh, so, sabi ng mga tao, mas mura pa daw siya doon, no? So, anyway, gusto ko lang ipakita for everyone, no? So, ayan, naka-max brightness 'to 'no. Ah, Natural lighting lang yung ginagamit ko 'no, so kapag binaba ko 'yan 'no, makikita niyo, nasa likuran ko yung bintana. So, hindi naman siya super bright 'no, so I think kapag lumabas kayo ng bahay and 'pag ginamit niyo 'to sa labas, mahirapan kayo gamitin siya. Pero for home use, kung indoor use lang 'no, like for my purposes dito sa tablet na 'to, puwede na siya for home 'no. Kasi 'pag kunwari, nakahiga ako, sa gano'n ko lang naman siya ginagamit, so ayan yung 'pag naka-zero brightness siya, tapos meron pa siyang ultra dim mode 'pag kunwari ginagamit mo yung tablet sa gabi 'no, which is or normal use case for me. So, let's just go over the specs 'no. Sabi sa spec sheet ah, ng Lazada, the tablet is 64 gigs of storage. So ayan, makita natin 'no, 64 gigs 'no. So may mga ilang, programs na ako ini-install, and out of the box 'no, walang mga laman na media 'to, mga pictures gano'n, ayan 'no. So 20 gigs agad yung ginagamit niya. So kung estudyante ka tapos you need to hold a lot of files, ah, better siguro kung lalagyan niyo ng SD card 'to 'no. Pero ako kasi, I have 2 SIMs 'no, ayun pala 'no. So, yung SIM tray niya, it can use up to 4G SIMs or isang 4G SIM plus isang memory card. Kung marami kang files puwedeng gano'n yung setup mo, pero ako, may server naman ako, so I just use the tablet to watch and stream content. So, I don't need to put a lot of things dito sa tablet ano. So, ayan. Kung titingnan niyo 'no, actually uh, it's quite fast enough 'no. The processor in this is, based on my research, it's the, Helio P22. I believe it's a 12 nanometer, processor 'no. So, kung kukumpara natin sa mga tablets na nasa ganitong price range, in the first place 'no, hindi naman sobrang bilis nitong processor na 'to 'no, pero the fact na it's on a pretty, good node 'no. Good node meaning hindi siya katulad ng mga mumurahing ibang tablet na nasa 28 nanometer pa na 4 core Spectrum yung processor 'no. Kasi yung mga gano'n, maiksi yung battery life nun. So, being on 12 nanometer and, ah, hindi naman super bilis ng cores 'no, pero yung battery din niya is at, 6,000 mAh. Tapos the screen resolution is at, 1280 by 800, so a little over HD. I think they call that HD plus 'no. Um, I think, amazing yung battery life nito. Actually, hindi ko pa nade-drain yung initial charge niya. Tapos ayan nga 'no. So titingnan niyo, I think when I compare this to my older tablet, no, pakita ko lang din. I bought this tablet about a year ago. This one is Doogee U10 ata. Tama ba? O yan. No? So pag pinagtabi nyo sila side by side, actually makikita nyo na ah, mas malinaw yung screen nung ano ko, nung bagong tablet. Ah, try natin mag-open ng YouTube video, no? Para makita natin.
Better out than in, I always say. And unfortunately for everyone involved, that includes today's tech news. That was barely Shrek.
That was good. I heard Shrek, but I also heard a crazy guy with it.
China has quietly made progress on one of the hardest problems in modern chipmaking.
Okay, so yun yung volume niya pag naka-max, no? Tapos dito naman sa isang tablet, try din natin mag-play, no? Tapos I'll let you decide kung ano yung mas trip
Only
niya.
Proxmox system I have in my home network, so I'm gonna just call it Proxmox, and you're gonna want to have it end in a probably .local domain, at least for my use case, and then all the IP addresses, I just leave that as is. I let that be managed on the.
So ayan, no? Wala naman ako binagong settings sa kanila both. Pero pag tinignan natin, medyo mas yellowish yung tint nito out of the box. Ito naman medyo mas bluish. No? So I think ang tawag dito is warm. Tapos this one is a little bit cooler. Pero ako personally, no, mas gusto ko yung medyo ganitong kulay. Ayun. So this one is still on a 28 nanometer process. Nung binili ko to, I think 4,000 or less. No? So, binili ko siya for work, no? Pag kunwari, kasi teacher ako, no? So, whenever I deal with children, minsan gumagamit ako ng mga tablet. So, ayun. Ang problema ko dito is mabilis maubos yung battery niya. Dahil na 12 nanometer pa siya. 28 nanometer pa yung processor nung lumang tablet ko. And this one, makunat, no? Kasi yun, the other one only has 5,000 milliampere hour battery. Ito, mas malaki. So, ayan. Huwag mo na kayo mag-tingin-tingin masyado sa specs no? Kasi syempre, ang overall na mahalaga is yung experience natin. So, ayun nga, no? Kapag titingnan natin, no? Mabilis siya. So, definitely better kapag kapag ang focus mo is productivity or gaming. Kasi, tingnan nyo. Buksan natin yung YouTube now. I think that's, it's pretty fast. Given na less than 3,000 na itong tablet na to, no? Again, no? 2,250 ko lang to nabili. And, nagda-drop pa siya ng price, no? Mas mura pa siya doon. Ayan. So, the experience with me is good, no? Tapos, pag binili niyo siya, may kasama siyang lalagyan, no? So, yung lalagyan ng tablet, meron na ring butas for the camera. Pero normally naman hindi naman ginagamit yung mga ganito for photography, you know, kasi syempre malaki siya eh. It's just there dahil of course maganda tingnan sa spec sheet na meron, pero hindi yun yung main purpose niya. May stand, no? Tapos adjustable yung grip nito, no? Actually magagamit ko nga rin ito dun sa isa kong tablet dahil same sila, same dimensions, no? 10-inch pareho. Tapos, out of the box, meron siyang yung SIM ejector. Meron siyang 10-watt charger. Actually, mahaba yung kable, no? Tapos, maganda yung, niya, maganda yung stock na earphones na kasama niya. So, pag tinignan yung malapitan, hindi ko alam kung kaya ng camera na gamit ko. Yan. So, parang textured na braided yung yung feel na parang rubberized. Hindi ko siya ma-explain, no? Pero, ang ayaw ko lang, since puti sila pareho, probably dumihin, no? And, wala ring ibang colors. Blue lang yung available for this model, no? So, ah, alam naman natin na pag bumili tayo ng my phone, no? Software yung naiiba sa kanya. Kasi, pag may phone, no? Alam natin na may logo ng Pilipinas, mga ganun-ganun na personalization. I have nothing against that, pero ako, like ito nga, no, pinersonalize ko na siya. So, ginagamit ko siya for, mainly for work. Ginawa kong parang Windows XP yung aking background, no? Pero yung defaults niya, let's see kung mapapalitan ko. Display, hindi ko alam kung dito. Ito, wallpaper. Yung mga default na wallpaper niya, katulad din ng mga ibang gadget ng iPhone from before. Ayan o, diba? Very Filipino themed. So, ayun. Kung gusto niyo yan, pwede yan. Tapos yung iconic na ringtone nila. Ako personally, ayoko nung ganun kasi parang masyado siyang loud. No? As much as possible, gusto ko na muted yung dating nito. Pero anyway, maganda sa kanya, no? Hindi intrusive yung yung design niya. Ayan lang, mayroon lang silang maliit na logo. Tapos the rest naman pwede nang palitan. Okay. So again, no, I bought this mainly for productivity. Pero let's see if we can play some games. So I have here Minecraft, no. So titignan nyo. Since hindi naman mabagal yung processor niya, it's launching pretty quickly. I mean, better than you would expect for an entry level device. Okay, so hindi ko pa kaka-install ko lang nito, no. Hindi ko pa 'to nira-run before. So hindi ko rin alam, baka mas mabilis 'to kapag palagi niyong binubuksan. Ayan, si Minecraft Steve. So I also have Minecraft, no, kasi hindi ko naman primarily dito nilalaro. I play it on the computer. Meron ng I mean, meron kasing application sa computer that will allow you to play the Dropped edition on computers, no? So kaya nasa Google account ko 'to. Yan, so nagge-generate siya ng world. Ayun pala, no? Habang naglo-load yan, ang ayoko dun sa niya, sa speaker kasi niya is bottom firing. No, kapag bottom firing siya, tapos nila pinatong yung sa isang desk or medyo muted yung tunog dahil nga bottom firing. Meaning, kailangan medyo nakaangat siya or tatananggil. Or, actually wala namang problema kung hawak niya siya, no? Habang ginagamit niya. Pero once na nakapatong na siya, tapos naka 90 degrees sa inyo, no? And 90 degrees on the table, may tendency matakpan yung speakers. Yun lang yung ayaw ko sa design niya, pero everything else feels good about it. So, ayun nga, no? So, sa software niya, is running Android 12. Tapos, meron siya nitong parang option to dim the screen further. Which I like. Kasi, kunwari, nanonood ka when you're sleeping. Oh, so, tingnan nyo siya, oh. I think this is at least running at least 30 FPS at least. So, hindi siya mabagal, no? Tingnan nyo. I think that's really good, no? For a device this cheap. So, kunwari, kung yung nilalaro ng bata niyo is Roblox, hindi ko alam actually kung gaano ka-demanding ang Roblox, pero it runs Minecraft pretty good. Tapos ito yan, no? So, again, no, ang magandang advantage dito is that most tablets in the market kasi won't allow you to use Sims. So, yun yung advantage nito. So, ayan, no, meron siyang mga apps for calls. So, may mga text na ako na na-receive. Naka-receive na rin ako ng tawag, no? Ayan. So, all-in-one device na siya. Siyempre, awkward lang gumamit ng sumagot ang tawag na tablet. So, better na gumamit kayo ng earphones or Bluetooth headsets, no? So, yun. Kung meron kayong gustong malaman about the tablet, I'll try to answer it. Just comment on the comment section, no? And again, this is Louis from Estonato Solutions. From now on, I'll be posting product reviews and mga video essays about technology, you know. And if you want to be part of a community that I'm building, please check out my Facebook page, Estonato Solutions. Tapos I have there a one-time membership fee of 100 pesos. And if you want to support me and the content that I do, sign up for that so that we can communicate directly then, no? So I post guides and tutorials on my Discord server. Pretty soon, no, magsiset up din ako ng website for that. Tapos, yeah, we can talk, we can hang out there. Again, this is Louis from Estonato Solutions, and see you on the next video.